Everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr.BuyitWright. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the new 2020 CRV Touring in the beautiful radiant red metallic. Let's take a look. CRV get these keyless proximity door fobs. They do have a remote engine starter on them, and they are memory seats on this. So you have driver 1, driver 2 key. It's going to memorize how you like your seating. And on the outside here, first thing I notice is the LED headlights. Of course, you have your LED daytime running lights and LED fogs. The aggressive look on the grille with the chrome trim is amazing, and that honeycomb. Big fan of how this looks now. All around, the trimming on the Touring is just fantastic. You do have a power hatch on this as well. And what's new on here is you also have a kick feature, so you kick underneath, it lifts up for you. The seats are very easy to fold down, just pull a simple lever, down she goes. You should close it, so just kick underneath. The car's gonna recognize, up or down it'll go. Stepping inside the Touring, you'll notice loads of convenience features, like your heated leather seats. They are power seats with lumbar support, and like I said before, they do have memory programming. You also have a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. On the wheel, you're going to notice the full range controls as well. On the right, your adaptive cruise control with low speed follow and lane keep assist. It'll all be displayed right up on this screen when you use it, so you can choose how many car lengths you want to be behind the person in front of you, and your cruise control will work with that. And then you also have my favorite feature, the lane keep assist. When you're going over 70 kilometers an hour, this is going to keep you inside the lines, give you a little steering assist. Very convenient to have. On the left side of the wheel, you're going to notice that you have full Bluetooth controls with voice control. This right here controls your digital display in behind. So you flip to your fuel economy, you can have your nav information up here, driver attention monitor, your all-wheel drive system, maintenance, media, Bluetooth, and you can flip between kilometers an hour and miles an hour very quickly. Just down below, your Honda sensing features. You have your lane mitigation, forward collision warning, traction control, your front windshield de-icer. Here in Canada, that is an awesome feature to have, and of course your power hatch. On the door, your programmable memory seating, and your power mirror and window switches. On the dash, you have this absolutely gorgeous touchscreen display. Very user-friendly, fully customizable. It's also displayed for your backup camera. So right now it's showing you the wide angle view. This is great because you can see when you're backing up a parking space what's coming beside you. This is your regular view here. You also have an option to look straight down. So this right here is your bumper. This is good for when you're backing into a space and you want to get in close to a wall or another vehicle. You can get super close without worrying about hitting them. This display also will show you your navigation unit, which is very clean, very user-friendly. I know some of the other models out there that are a pain in the butt trying to use. This is very seamless and easy to use. You can also control your climate through this screen. You also have a dual zone climate control panel just down below with your heated seats. Now this is a redesigned center console for the vehicle. You do have your shifter here still. You have your auto start stop feature. You can turn it on and off here. Econ mode, so you pop that button on if you want to save some money on gas. Electronic parking brake and the brake hold feature. That's nice to use in a drive-through or when you're sitting on a hill and don't feel like holding your brake. This is the new design here. So you have a wireless charger here, so you toss your phone on that, it's going to start charging your phone wirelessly. You do have a couple USB charging ports as well, one for the passenger, one for the driver. This one here is your connection to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can plug in your phone now, load up maps from Waze or Google Maps onto here, Spotify, whatever app that you have that you like to use. It can be loaded up on your screen now. Of course, your cup holders are moved. Here's the big difference now. You have this adjustable armrest, very easy to open up. You have a nice little storage tray down below. This can slide up and out of the way now. On the old model, you used to have to actually take this out. So Honda has redesigned this now to just fold away, and there's a lot of storage down here. You also have a 12-volt socket right at the bottom. Up above here, you do have the controls for your power panoramic sunroof. So this is for the shade here. It's a one-touch system, just touch it. Your shade will go all the way to the back. Same thing with opening up the sunroof. Again, one touch. It's gonna open all the way up. You do also have the option to use a tilt feature. You can have up to 3 different garage doors programmed on this vehicle. And another great thing is your conversation mirror. So you flick this up and now you can have a conversation with people in the back. So no matter what, your kids cannot escape you. You can always see them. On the Touring trim, you also have this gorgeous wood trim on the inside, on your door panels as well. It's a very clean look in here. So unlike the Sport with the blacked out trim and the silver metallic, this is all wood grain, staying very classy. Looking in the back seat, you're gonna notice loads of convenience features back here as well. You have rear heated seats. The leather does warm up very quickly. You also have rear AC vents and 2 rear charge ports. Those are 2.5 amps, so they charge quick. And of course, a folding down center armrest, equipped with cup holders. Thank you for watching. So if you're in the market for a new CRV, you can go ahead and call or text me on my cell anytime. It's 519-732-5551. That's for any general vehicle information, order, arrange your test drive, and I'm going to put you in my next gift card giveaway.